I think the most powerful defining moment that Burson Marsteller had was when we decided to open an office in Europe in 1961. We were the second agency in public relations to do that. So it took us 30 years to go from our starting date, which was 1953, to 1983 as the largest PR firm in the world, which was something that we certainly never thought would happen because of the office that we had started in Europe became the other international firm. And when I look at those clippings and articles and speeches that I made back in those days, I have to blush because after about 4 or 5 trips and going to Europe, I became the international public relations expert. People in this business are the greatest asset, the only real asset that you really have. And when you have the right people, when they're committed to doing work with a high standard of excellence, and when they relate to the clients, you have a perfect winning combination. And we've been fortunate during that 60-year period to have the good people, the right attitude, the dedication, and the reward system that has made us one of the great agencies today.